Okay, today we're going to learn how to modify our tabs from the virtual classroom. First, I'm going to explain how to modify the welcome, the first term, second term, third term, and our final exam, how to modify the colors in each tab. Remember, we need to use another tab, a new tab in our navigator. For example, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add a new tab. And here in Google, I will type hexadecimal colors. Okay. I click on the first one. And then I'm going to decide to use, okay, I don't know, this color. For example, here the color blue. When you select the color blue, here you can see the color code. So please select the color, highlight the code. Now Control C to copy. Go back to our virtual classroom. We're going to modify our first term, for example. Click on first term, edit session. We'll move our scroll bar down, and here in the background color, we pasted Control V. Okay, and then you say changes. You see it? But maybe we think the font color is not clear to view. So for that reason, I'm going to modify the font color too. It's your decision. So I'm going to I use color white or a light color. I select it, copy, Control C. Here I have to open again the edit session. And then in the font color, paste our code. Now we have the font color is white and the background color is blue. I'm going to repeat it one more time. I'm going to open the second tab. I go to the tab for colors. I'm going to use another one, for example, red. The code for red is this. Control C, copy. Edit session. Scroll bar down. Background color, Control V. I'm not going to say change it because I want to change the font color now. So I select the color white or a light color, copy, and paste in the font color, and then now I'm going to save the changes. Ready? Here we have our two tabs, first term and second term, with different colors, background color and font color. Ready? Okay. Now I need to create sub-tabs. What does it mean? For example, in the first term, I need to create a tab for the Unit 1, or I need another tab for resources, or a child tab is the current name, child tab for our I don't know, links or videos. I want to create just only one tab for videos to link the videos or put videos in that tab. So I'm going to explain why, how. I'm going to use the tab topic 3. I click on the tab topic 3. but I want to move the topic 3 before second term. So I have to display tabs edition utilities, click on tabs edition utilities, and click where I want to move it. So I want to move it before second term. So I click on second term. Now the topic 3 is topic 2, and I move it before second term after first term. Okay, ready? I'm going to move topic 4 before second term. So I click on topic 4, tabs edition utilities, second term. Ready? Now it's topic 3. I'm going to modify the names later. Now I'm going to convert the tab topic 2 and the topic 3 in a child of the tab before. So click on topic 2, edit, edit session, scroll down, and here the level. In the level we find normal, tab, or child of the previous tab. I'm going to use this one, and I click Save Changes. Now I'm going to repeat the same. With the topic 3. In the topic 3, I click Edit, Edit Session, and again Label, Child of Previous Tab. Ready? Now, where topic 2, where is topic 3? Where topic 2 and topic 3 is inside first term. Look, if you click on first term, you can see we have our index, the topic 2 and the topic 3. We are going to recognize it if we go and change the switch role to a student. Yeah. So if I open welcome, I just see what all the activities or links or pages, labels I have in my welcome. If I click on second term, I can see only the information from the second term. But if I click on first term, you see here we have the index, topic 2, topic 3 are inside. So we can organize our virtual classroom with different subtopics. In one big topic or in a big tab, we can have childs. Ready? Now we are going to modify topic 2 name. But I need to go to my role, return to my normal role, turn editing on, don't forget it. Topic 2, edit, edit session, click on custom, and I'm going to put, I don't know, Uni 1, depending on what you want. Also, here I can modify the background color and the font color. For this, I'm going to use a different color, whatever I want. Copy the color, background color, Ctrl Z, and the font color, remember, is a light color or white. Ctrl Z, Ctrl V. Save changes. Ready? So here we have our tab with different color and different font color. Ready? Okay, you understand how to modify the order, how to move the tab from this position to another position. Okay, now you know how to create child tabs. how to modify background color tab and font color tab. Ready? Next step. I want to create my banner. I want to put a banner here. I want to create a banner to put a banner here on the top of my tab. Okay? What's next? I have to open welcome, the original welcome, and I'm going to duplicate the original welcome. So I go down, tap Edition Utilities, and duplicate. Duplicate again. Click Continue. Now we have welcome, the original welcome. Look at the activities, children's practice, books, files, and topic 1 is the welcome duplicated with the same activities. What we're going to do now, click on welcome, tab, administration, edit settings, go with the scroll bar down, course format, and here visualization mode of session. Now add a step before the tabs. Okay. And then you click save and display. Ready? Now what happened? Look, we have the welcome before the tabs. So I'm going to modify the topic 1 name. I'm going to modify the name because I need a welcome tab, so I'm going to use the same name, welcome, and save changes. Right, so we have 2 welcomes. Now what do they have to do is here, I'm going to explain how to use the mass action. Here in the add a block, we have block navigation, block administration, and also I can insert a new one, add a block, and we're going to use the mass actions. I'm going to add it. What happens when you add the mass action block? Look here, now we have checkbox next to our activities, next to the edit. If you can use this block, it will be easier for you to move, to erase, or to duplicate many or most of these activities in one click or at the same time. For example, I need to delete all this with only one click. So I select, click on the checkbox, I activate the checkbox. Be careful. So I'm going to check, or I'm going to activate those checkboxes before the tab, no more. Because if I continue checking bots, I'm going to erase all the activities from my tab. So be careful with that. Now, I already activated the checkbox from the welcome or the topic 0. Now going to delete all. So you click delete and accept. Delete. Now what happened with the activities? We delete all the activities in only one click using the mass action block. Sometimes it is not going to work. Why? Because maybe you you create an activity, a link, a video that that maybe is blocking our mass action. Sometimes it happens. Some activities from here block all the mass action, so it is going to be impossible to use it. In those cases, the only way to erase is to use the edit and delete. Edit, delete, edit, delete, one by one. Okay, so sorry, but sometimes it happens. Ready? Now we're going to modify the welcome title. Edit session, because I'm going to use the banner. So I'm not going to type welcome because I already have a welcome tab. So I'm going to type a point. I'm going to use a point and save changes. Ready? Here is our point. Ready? Now I want to insert the banner, but I have to create a banner. Remember that last week I sent an email with a banner to your email. You can use that. So you click in your email. I sent it last week or this week, I don't remember. I sent it. Here I have ejemplo banner sample. What you have to do is to download to your computer. You click here, download. It's downloading. That's way, it depends our bandwidth. Ready. Open the banner in PowerPoint. Enable it, didn't. And ready, you can modify this banner. For example, you don't like this background, you click on the background, erase. I'm going to use another one from internet, here in Google. For example, my subject is no ICT, my subject for math, for science, social studies. So I'm going to search something that I can use for science. Images, and I'm going to use a color, something for it. I don't know, maybe. Okay, going to do it faster. For example, this one. Or this one, I'm going to use this one, is better. It is better for science, or you decide. It's just one example how to do it. Right button with our mouse, click with the right button, copy image, go back to PowerPoint, and paste it. Going to modify the size according to our slide. Click with the right button, send to back, send backward. Again, sorry, I don't know what happened here. Send to back. Ready? Now I'm going to change no ICTs for science. So I'm going to type science. I'm going to change the font color and I'm going to use the format. I click here on the WordArt format, and here I have different styles. For example. So you are going to choose one. You decide what is the best one to modify your virtual classroom. Also here we can modify with the color we want. Okay, for example. Yeah. Ready. I already finished my banner for science. So now I have to save it. File, save as. I'm going to save it on the computer documents. It's going to be easier for me to find it later. And here, save as type PNG. If you're using Mac, please, you don't have the option in Save As. You have to click Export. Only people who are using Mac. You click Export as a PNG. But I'm using Windows. So you click Save As, you select the folder, save type, PNG, save, and just this one, only this slide. Ready. Now I'm going to come back to my virtual classroom and I'm going to put the banner here. So you click edit, edit session. Here we have the image insert, how to insert the image, find or upload an image, browse. Remember I saved it in documents. So in documents I saved it, the name was banner, banner is here. And click upload this file. Just wait. Insert, OK. And finally we need to modify some things here. We're going to modify, okay, sorry, I need to explain something first. You have to display this option to display more tools. We're going to use the HTML source, and here we're going to modify the width, okay, to save it. Okay, already here we have to change the width. Erase 1280 to 100%. Don't forget the symbol percent. And the height, it has to be 145. Update. Ready. You click Save Changes. And voila, we have our first banner. If you go and you modify your role to student, as a student, you role to a student, Here we have our banner. I'm going to hide these blocks. You see, for that reason I changed the width to 100%. It means if you open the virtual cloud in your phone, in a tablet, an iPad, or a computer PC, or in a laptop, the banner is going to take all the way from the monitor, all the space it has in the monitor. So it's not going to have a distortion. Ready? That's all for today. Let's practice, and I hope you learn many things and new things today. See you in the next tutorial. Video done by Miguel Salek, IT Integrator.